Welcome to the Art Science Museum.
Yay!
Yay! So excited?
Sana ko tanaw.
Yeah? Are you excited, Bear? Huh? We're Art Museum. Bite. Huh? Excited? Yeah? Here, Bear. Say down. So we're going upstairs for the welcome to Art Science Museum. So let's go. So their exhibition galleries. Yeah.
Send ako photo, mame.
Yeah, after this one. I'm very happy that you're
Nindot
required to
mag-view.
take pictures for you.
Nindot ra mag-view.
Yeah. No.
Then nindot sa kong gisuot.
So this is the elevator. Babe, you flip the third floor, babe, because this is going down the tape. Yeah, apa nih? So you have to flip the third floor. Yeah. So this is the ticketing one. So the good thing is we already have a ticket, so no need to pull in line there to get a ticket. See?
So long.
Oh, so long. So that's why it's better to, if you will go in Singapore, you better it's to get ticket online first, so that when you come into the Singapore, you don't need to fall in line.
Malita.
Third.
Ay, number 1 pa wala.
Yeah.
Number 1 pa, balik na.
This is a level 1.
Hi.
No, the other one is only second floor, and this one is for third floor. Wow. So only 1 hour we have to stay here.
Lah, mga sapatos na rin.
This is the third. Third. Welcome to the Sneaktopia. This is issues. Yeah, when we go outside, the ticket.
Pa-picture ta ko anak, mami. Kadali. Mami, yaman yung art. Yaman yung art. Arts mo na.
Yes. Yeah, you take picture.
Di.
You stand. Wait, picture is siyan kanina ko straight.
Do not step on it.
Okay, but we can take picture but no flash on. Okay, take this one.
Mami, pwede ka ba?
Okay, when we go outside. Yes.
Jordans.
Oh.
Dili ta, mami.
Wow. The playground.
Sapatos na rin, oh. Jordan Force na rin.
So this is the art science?
The art science.
I think this is not art science, babe. It's a sneakers. It's all shoes about. I think this is sports only. Money, babe. I think this is not babe.
No, because art science. More on art.
Pwede sapatos na.
Siyan. What is in there, babe?